Well, good morning, guys. We got quite the lineup for you today. Just got some news. We got 5 new trucks coming. Well, not new trucks, 5 owner-operator Spec T-680s coming in. I'm going to show you a prime example of one right here. These beautiful green trucks. All the ones we have currently in stock are sold, but my boss just said we had 5 more coming, and 2 of them are already pre-sold, so at least 3. So if you want to get in on one of these, so they're calling me. How about that? So anyway, we're going to do a video of this green owner-op Spec truck. I think you guys are going to really like it. And if you want to get on the ground floor of the 3 coming in, and you like it, you just submit a $1,000 refundable hold on it. Give me a call. We'll take $1,000 on your credit card and just to hold the truck. And that way when it comes in, you can come and look at it. You want it, you do your signature, and you take off with it. But let me look at this. I want to show you this, man. Woo, what a beauty. But it is a brisk, cool morning out here. Give a little walk around this truck. We'll pull it out and do a video on it. But look at that. Nice rubber on it. 24.5. Somebody's gonna ask. So these are 75R 24.5 rubber on a T680. This is an owner-operator Spec. Sliding 5th wheel. 8-bag air system. Suspension on it. It's got the nice Kenworth suspension. I'm not sure what the wheelbase is, but it has a 120-gallon fuel tank on the left side, 135 on the right side. It's got all the chicken lights on it, all the chrome, the little added pinstripes. This is from a well-kept, well-maintained fleet. I'm sorry I cannot disclose that information to you, but these are really nice, well-equipped trucks. So we'll get this old girl fired up, pulled up, and do a walk around of it. I think you guys are really going to like this truck. So let's get her fired up. Okay, guys, that keys I have for that truck. I had the keys for this truck. We have 2 of these, and this one's blocked in. But I want you to look, man. This is a single bunk owner-operator Spec truck. Now this thing, man, I mean, it has the pull-out table here, and also this seat right here will swivel. That seat right there swivels around. You guys are gonna make me show you. I mean, that seat right there will hang on. Let me just show you. Okay, so there you go. I mean, look at that. You want to sit here and do your paperwork. That thing swivels around. You got the table. I mean, that is just a killer setup. Has your TV mount right here already installed, so all you gotta do is plug up your TV. It's got the 110 outlets, so I guess that means it has an inverter, and you put your microwave in here. It's blocked in. Little shelf up on top. This is just a really nice, well-equipped truck. And it has the fridge right here. We'll pull out drawer refrigerator and a little freezer compartment up there. So just really nice, well equipped. I think this bed should go up as well. Most trucks do. I think yeah, there's a latch under there. It goes up so you can get access to all your stuff, you know. So yeah, very nice truck. You got the smart nav system, your interaxle lock, 5th wheel slide, suspension dump, engine fans, and needs fuel there. Come on. So yeah, just a very nice, well-equipped owner-op Spec truck, you know. So And we have 5 more all LED lights inside. So we'll go outside and show you the exterior of this one. We can't pull it out because it's all blocked in, but we can do a quick, we did a walk around the other one. Like I said, we have 2 of these and both of these are sold. And we have more kind of like a suspension load gauge, fuel filter, axle temperatures, brake application, appliance there, low airs, fuel, volt, oil, water, speed and attack. And this is a 13-speed truck. Let's see if I can find out what the specs is on the rear end. Hold on a second. I took some notes this time. I do not have the rear gear. I think I saw somewhere earlier it's 336. And all the mileage on this one here's got 382,000 on it. All the mileage of the ones we got coming in will be between 300 and 350,000 miles. On these we got coming in. Like I said, these are nice trucks. So if you guys are interested in one of these nice owner-up spec 680s, give me a call and we'll get $1,000 hold on it, and that will hold it, which like I said, that is refundable. Okay, so like I said, this one's all blocked in, so we couldn't pull it out and do a complete walk around. It's got little lights in the bumper. These are well maintained trucks here. They got all the chrome visor on the hood, got the chicken lights down the side, chrome around the light on the fender, comes all the wheel chrome. They all got good steers, good tires. It's all virgin rubber. And like I said, you can get extended warranty on this 3MHC right here, so you guys don't have to worry about in a used truck. We can load it up with a warranty. It's available. But anyway, these are nice trucks. So we got 5 more coming in. I think 2 of them are 680s, one might be a 660. So we you guys need to jump on the bandwagon there. Well, day cab, I filmed that yesterday. Filmed the W9 there yesterday. Those are still available. We better give me a call. Anyway, so we'll get this video wrapped up for y'all. Hope you enjoyed that tour. Any more questions, leave it down there in the comments. We'll be glad to answer, or give me a call. The phone number is in the description. And the price, I'll have to get that to you. I'd be afraid to guess. The boss man did not give me a price on these, because like I said, these 2 here are sold, and the ones coming in, normally we have the price. But anyway, there you go. There's some idiotic ramblings of a beautiful, gorgeous owner-up spec 680. You guys need to give me a call. Like I said, call, phone number, and email is in the description box. If you don't know how to click the description box, it's a little arrow tab to your right. Touch that and a drop down menu comes down and you'll find all my contact info. So I was sitting there editing up this video and I thought, well, holy crap, I didn't even cover the engine. These are Cummins powered power plants. Now I don't know the specs on it. I don't know whether they're 550 or 500. It's right up there. I got the wrong kind of clothes on. Hold on, let me go up there and look for you. What if I do for you guys? Okay, there you go. 485 horse, 1850 torque. Cummins, 13-speed, owner-operator spec truck. Okay, now I gotta get down. I gotta get down, come on. All right, there you go. We had to run back out here and get the engine stuff for you. I don't have any idea. What the wheelbase is, because he got the 4 fairings on it, and these are nice. These are nice rides, man. So, all right, we're gonna cut it, get it rented up, and start taking the phone calls. See ya. Hey guys, sorry about that. I will remember my phone numbers. I'll get there. So I'll just run through them real quick, but will also be down in the description box. And also my email is tim.ghorley@mhc.com. I'll have that in the link in the description. My office range right here, my desk is 423-308-4027. The front desk, lovely Miss Helen, in case you want to talk to anyone. If you can't get a hold of me, you want to talk to Mike Booth or Chris, any one of the other sales team members, that phone number to Miss Helen is 423-698-4461. And then my personal cell phone, if I'm not in the office, I'm out on the lot, whatever, is 423-599-3775. If you can't reach me there, leave a message, and we will call you back, or call Miss Helen and get a hold of one of the other sales guys. They'll be glad to field any questions you may have. So thanks for watching, guys, and first person coming by a truck for me is $200 cash from me personally. But we have a lot of guys on the hook already, so it's day number 2, and we are super productive. So give me a call. Anything you've seen on the video there. Like I said, we got green ones coming in. I think I just pre-sold one of the ones coming in on my own. We had 5. Now we're down to 2 available. They go fast. Those green owner-op spec trucks are pretty cool. And these white 680 first-time truck buyers will be great first-time truck. Anything you guys see in my videos or on the lot as we're walking around, feel free to reach out and call me. We'll get you set up, and got an extensive inventory list here online. Any truck on the ground in the MHC network, we can find the truck for you and get you set up. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.